Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always coming by to watch. So guys, this tutorial is all about how to refill your closure, how to refill your frontal, and how to refill your full lace. Any of this tutorial can guide you on this. So guys, a client came to my shop with this particular hair. Oh my goodness, it's unbelievable because the closure have eaten up. It's looking like a grandpa's hair. Most of these grandpa does not have hair in their skull. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. I was like, no, ma, I don't think I'll be able to do this work because the work in it is going to be very, very critical. It's going to be very much. So she tried pleading with me, trying to explain to me that she doesn't have money for a new closure because I advised her to get a new closure. Because the reason why I advised her to get a new closure is because the closure net, the switch lace is already very weak. If you try to put a ventilating needle, it tears. So for me, I don't think it worth the stress trying to ventilate this and refill it. So I tried talking to her to do this for herself by getting a new closure. But she was like, getting a new closure is not the problem, is getting a good one at that, which I understood perfectly well. So I accepted the work and I told her that I'm going to work on it. I gave her a positive result. When she came to pick the hair, she was so happy because she was like, she couldn't believe that I could do that kind of perfect work. So guys, so I'll be telling you how my joining with this hair went. It was not an easy one because refilling of closure, more especially when the net is weak, if you can relate, is not an easy one because even as much as you try to be fast about it, so you get to do another thing, the net will be cutting off. So at the point, I have to slow down because rushing this hair is not going to give me a perfect result. So guys, if you want to refill a closure wig, what you should consider first is the line. When I say the line where the closure was ventilated initially with, just the way you are seeing in this video. When I wanted to ventilate this hair, I tried tracing the line that was ventilated on before. Then I followed that pattern to ventilate this hair. If you try this, you will enjoy it. Yes, it will make the work to be stressless because trying to ventilate in a closure whereby there is still hair, not a plain net, is very stressful because you'll be trying to see where you can put your needle to ventilate. So I started from the back of the closure, trying to trace the line it was ventilated with and follow that pattern. If you are doing this, if this process is okay for you, you can proceed the way I did. But if it's not okay for you, you can try doing the normal line that you are saying or refill it from the empty lines you are saying. But for me, it's not going to give that perfect result. Yes, that is why I would advise you follow through the line that it was ventilated from. So as I was doing that, the net was loose. Yes, if you can see when I got to the front, the net was weak already. So trying to rush this is going to make the net to tear. So I have to pick it one step at a time. And sorry, I didn't mention this. I didn't do double split method. The reason why I didn't do double split method in this is because I don't want the net to tear more. I have to gently practice single knotting. That is what I did, and I tried my best to make it to be tight so that it's not loose anytime soon. No, ventilating this hair is not easy. Another part again, another thing again I noticed in this client's hair is that the hair is weak. When I say weak, it's weak. Even the hair, if you are combing it, God, the hair is breaking. Some of you don't know how to maintain your coily hair, your PC coils. Maybe years back your client told you that don't use anything on this hair, just use water. No, not when this particular wig the knot is bleached. Don't use water. Sorry, don't use anything, just use only water. You need leave-in conditioner to maintain your curly hair because it will go a long way. It will keep it new, it will keep the coils intact, it will save you stress from wearing a wig that is not looking good, because your hair is your crown. You will not be looking so untidy, unkept on your head, and you're wearing something beautiful on your body. No, it will not complement your look. So I will advise, if you have a curly hair, make sure that you use your leave-in conditioner and water to massage it all through and comb it very well. It will save you from stress, it will save you from damaging your hair on time, just like this wig we are seeing here. So when I continue with the knotting, the hair was breaking badly. I didn't bargain for this, so I have to pick it up slow. I got to the front side, I tried maintaining that same line that it was ventilated on. The front one is that there is no hair at all on it. So I now use the normal ventilating pattern I use for other wigs for me to ventilate this. I did one line, one hole, one line, one hole. Yes, the reason why I did that is because the hair is not much anymore, and I won't want to use almost all the bundle at the back side to ventilate only a closure, and the hair will be looking scanty. So I have to try my best to see if I can fix this hair for this client. So when I did this, it turned out very, very beautiful. It turned out good because I promised her already that I will do something about it, and I know that she'll be expecting to see something good. I had no other choice than to bring down my time. Sorry, I had no other choice than to bring out my time and do this for her because she really, really needs this for a wedding. So, guys, refilling a wig is just one step at a time. Right, me, I would prefer ventilating a new closure than doing this because a new closure, new net, everything new. You save yourself a whole lot of stress than ventilating on an old one. As you can see, this hair is looking good, right? I have to add a whole lot of work to achieve this. So I revamped the hair. I didn't show the part whereby I revamped the hair, but I revamped it. This is when I brought out the hair from the pots. Yes, if I want to revamp such a hair, I cook them. If you want to know how I did it, you can drop your comment in the comment section for me to put you through how I cooked this hair for it to be like this. The reason why I cook my own hair after conditioning it so that it will enable the conditioner, all the ingredients to penetrate well on the hair and revamp it back to life. It will be looking new. I'm not asking you to go and put your hair on fire and forget it. No. So all these things are step by step. And this is me rinsing out the conditioner, the chemicals I used for revamping this hair for it to look good. I did it and I was happy that I did it. You have to be, I was trying to be gentle on the net because, as I said earlier, the net is already weak. When I say weak, any little mistake, charam, it will tear. And one thing about this is that if once this net tears, the owner of this wig now will not admit that a wig was actually wig. So, and me, I think she will have to owe me for me to pay for it. So I have to be very, very careful to avoid story that touches the heart. That is why I was so gentle trying to do this for me not to tear the net, because I don't have answer to give after that. So I have to be, I was very, very careful about it. And it came out beautiful. So guys, this is the hair done and dusted. How did you say this? Fine, lovely. Did I do a great job? I didn't want this video to be very, very lengthy. That is, I didn't show the revamping process. But this is the after look of the revamping. Looking like a new hair again. So, will you be trying? So, guys, how do you rate this work? Because it was stressful refilling this. How will you rate it? The scale of 10 to the scale of 1 over 10. How will you rate this? So guys, if you have watched this point and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to this channel so that you get notification whenever I post a new video. I guess do not like to miss the latest updates. Thank you for watching.